Hi children. In third lesson, out on a picnic, how we completed, do you remember? What are new words, opposites, tenses, meanings, own sentences. What are the Romans we completed? New words, opposites, tenses, meanings and own sentences. Right? Now I am going to start the question and answers of third lesson. What is the lesson name? What is the lesson name? Out on a picnic. What is the lesson name? Out on a picnic. Out on a picnic. Now we are going to start question and answers. O-U-T out, O-N on, A-P-I-C-N-I-C, picnic. Out on a picnic. What is the lesson name? Out on a picnic. O-U-T out, O-N on, A-P-I-C-N-I-C, picnic. What I am going to teach you now? Question and answers of this lesson. Question. Question. ANDN. Answers. Question and answers. Once again. QUESTION. Question. ANDN. Answers. Question and answers. What is the first one? WH-AT. What? WH-AT. What? Do. What do Rahul? RAHUL. See, I am writing capital R here because it is the noun. R is a capital letter. RAHUL. Rahul. ANDN. HIS. MOTHER. Mother. MAKE. Make. I completed writing the question. So what is the mark you have to give at the end? Question mark. This mark is called question mark. After completion of each question, you have to give this mark which is called question mark. WH-AT. What? Do. RAHUL. Rahul. ANDN. HIS. His. MOTHER. Mother. MAKE. Make. What do Rahul and his mother make? గుర్తుందా మీకు? పిక్నిక్ వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు రాహుల్ వాళ్ళ మదర్ కి హెల్ప్ చేశాడు కదా. ఏం చేయడానికి హెల్ప్ చేశాడు? ఫర్ వాట్ డిడ్ రాహుల్ హెల్ప్ హిస్ మదర్? టు మేక్ ఫ్యూ, కమ్ ఆన్, శాండ్విచెస్. టు మేక్ ఫ్యూ శాండ్విచెస్. Now let us write the answer. Answer A. Rahul. 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 AND HIS. His. MOTHER. Mother. MAKE. Make. FEW. Few. Sandwiches. 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 This is the answer and I completed answer. Can I give question mark here? No. It is not the question to give the question mark. It is answer. After completing the answer, you have to give a small dot and it is called full stop. This dot is called full stop. After completion of the question, you have to give question mark. After completion of the answer, you have to give the full stop. It is called full stop. That means the answer has been completed. What do Rahul and his mother make? Rahul and his mother make a few sandwiches. A few sandwiches. Second question. WHAT. What? DO. What do Rahul? RAHUL. Rahul. AND and HIS his. FATHER father. CARRY carry. TO2. THE the. CAR car. I completed the question, so I am giving a question mark there. What do Rahul and his father carry to the car? Answer. RAHUL. 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 AND and HIS his. FATHER father. Carry. CARRY carry. The the hamper. HAMPER hamper. AND and OTHER other. FOOD food. ITEMS items. After completion of the answer, we have to give a full stop. Let me revise orally. What do Rahul and his mother make? Rahul mummy to kalsi em chesadu? Sandwiches. That is our answer. Okay ma? Rahul and his mother make a few sandwiches. WHAT. What? WHAT. What? DO. What do Rahul? RAHUL. 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 What do Rahul? AND and. When you complete reading this word, again you come from the beginning. What do Rahul and HIS his. What do Rahul and his MOTHER mother. MOTHER mother. I told you no, come back again. Read from the beginning. What do Rahul and his mother make? MAKE make. Make. What do Rahul and his mother make? And what is its answer? Rahul. 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 AND Rahul and HIS his. Rahul and his MOTHER mother. MOTHER mother. Rahul and his mother make. M-A-K-E. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. Rahul and his mother make a F-E-W. Few. F-E-W. Few. Rahul and his mother make a few sandwiches. S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H-E-S. Witches. Sandwiches. S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H-E-S. Sandwiches. Now try to read the whole answer without spellings. Rahul and his mother make a few sandwiches. What do Rahul and his mother make? Rahul and his mother make a few sandwiches. Second one, what do Rahul and his father? Don't get confused. See here the beginning of the question. What do Rahul? What do Rahul? And his. See here it is changing. Here mother and here father. Don't get confused, children. What do Rahul and his father carry to the car? ఏం తీసుకెళ్లారు కార్ దగ్గరికి? They took the hamper and other food items. W-H-A-T. What? D-O. Do. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. What do Rahul? A-N-D. End. A-N-D. End. What do Rahul and H-I-S. His. H-I-S. His. What do Rahul and his father? F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. What do Rahul and his father carry? C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Come back again, read the question. What do Rahul and his father carry? T-O-2, T-O-2, T-H-E the, T-H-E the, C-A-R car, C-A-R car. What do Rahul and his father carry to the car? What do Rahul and his father carry to the car? Answer. Rahul and his father carry the hamper. A big basket, I told you, no? Hamper and other food items. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. A-N-D. End. A-N-D. End. H-I-S. His. H-I-S. His. Rahul and his father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Rahul and his father carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Rahul and his father carry. T-H-E the. T-H-E the. H-A-M-P-E-R. Hamper. H-A-M-P-E-R. Hamper. Rahul and his father carry the hamper. A-N-D and A-N-D and O-T-H-E-R. Other. O-T-H-E-R. Other. Rahul and his father carry the hamper and other F-O-O-D. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. I-T-E-M-S. Items. I-T-E-M-S. Items. Rahul and his father carry the hamper and other food items. First one, what? What do Rahul and his mother make? What do Rahul and his mother make? Rahul and his mother make a few sandwiches. Rahul and his mother make a few sandwiches. Second one, what do Rahul and his father carry to the car? What do Rahul and his father carry to the car? Rahul and his father carry the hamper and other food items. Rahul and his father carry the hamper and other food items. These are the two question and answers. Then let us go for the third one. Third question. WHYYIS is THE the Y is the journey. JOURNEY journey. Noisy. NOISY noisy. Y is the journey noisy. Answer. THE the JOURNEY journey. IS is NOISY noisy. As RAHUL Rahul. and Sheena SHEENA Sheena. Chatter CHATTER chatter. Excitedly EXCITEDLY excitedly. Full stop. Y is the journey noisy. The journey is noisy as Rahul and Sheena chatter excitedly. Chatter means to talk continuously. As Rahul and Sheena are talking continuously throughout the journey is noisy. Next one, fourth one. WHICH which FRUITS fruits. Which fruits? DO THEY they. EAT eat. DURING during. THE the. PICNIC picnic question mark. Which fruits do they eat during the picnic? Can you tell me what are the fruits they ate? Apples and oranges. THEY they. EAT eat. APPLES apples. and apples and oranges. ORANGES I complete that the answer. So I am giving the full stop here. Okay. Which fruits do they eat during the picnic? They eat apples and oranges. Let us go with the spellings. Okay. WHYY, WHYY, IS is, IS is, Y is, THE the, THE the, Y is the, journey, 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 Y is the journey, noisy, 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 Y is the journey, noisy, Y is the journey, noisy. Answer. THE the, JOURNEY, 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 IS is, the journey is, noisy, 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 the journey is noisy, AS as, RAHUL, 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 the journey is noisy as Rahul, and, SHEENA, 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 the journey is noisy as Rahul and Sheena chatter, 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 excitedly, 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 excitedly. The journey is noisy as Rahul and Sheena chatter excitedly. Let us go for the next one. Which fruits do they eat during the picnic? WHICH, 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 FRUITS, 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 which fruits, DO do, THEY, they, EAT, eat, DURING, during. Which fruits do they eat during THE the, PICNIC, 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 picnic. Which fruits do they eat during the picnic? THEY, they, EAT, eat, APPLES, 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 AND ORANGES, 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 oranges. They eat apples and oranges. Thank you, children.